First time, it will be tricky. So just try to create the same in your environment. You will understand. Okay. Yeah, Prakash. Yeah, like in real-time scenarios. How often will we be using this role at all? How often? Do we get projects wherein we need to create roles? Guys, it depends upon your luck. If the project is not stabilized, it's in the initial process, then you are responsible to create. You are responsible to manage each and everything. So whatever we are discussing, definitely you are going to create these roles. IT role, business role, each and everything. If it's a stabilized project, then once in a while, like you, will be getting a requirement to create. Okay.